Hanggang senyas o sign language lang ang komunikasyon ng mga bingi. Hanggang matutunan nilang magkaroon ng tinig. Salamat na lang sa mga tulad ni Julie Esguera. Noong 1986, itinatag ni Julie Esguera at ng kanyang ina na si Dr. Sergia Esguera ang Philippine Institute for the Deaf. Ito ang kauna-unahang private school na nagtuturo sa mga may kapansanan sa pandinig na makapagsalita, abot kaya maging ng mahirap.
My mom, it is her long dream to set up an oral school because she was trained to do that. And so when I came back from the United States, she said that we better start a school for the deaf so that our indigent deaf children in the Philippines will have the chance of the gift of speech.
Nakagisna na ni Julie ang pagtuturo sa mga bingi. Nagtuturo noon sa Philippine School for the Deaf sa Pasay ang ina at nagsasama ng mga estudyante sa kanilang bahay. Si Dr. Sergia Esguera din ang nagmulat sa kanyang hilig at dedikasyon sa pagtuturo sa mga may kapansanan sa pandinig.
My mom, I think, saw in my eyes as I assisted her that I have this knack or the compassion to teach as well. So when I graduated in high school, she forced me, or I think she knew by heart then that I was born to become a good teacher.
Taong 1974 nang nakapag-asawa si Julie. Pero pagkatapos ng 7 taong pagsasama, iniwan siya ng kanyang asawa, dala ang lahat ng kanilang ari-arian. Dahil dito, napilitan siyang magbenta ng insurance policy at ultimo AV regulator ay kanyang itininda para buhayin ang anak na 6 na taong gulang pa lamang at ang kanyang 8 buwang ipinagbubuntis na anak na babae.
Ayaw niya ng Aaron, Joshua.
Hindi man nalubos ang swerte sa pag-ibig, sinwerte naman ang kanyang mga estudyante. Binalikan ni Julie ang kanyang first love, ang pagtuturo sa mga may kapansanan sa pandinig.
Whenever I see a child, through his eyes and his tiny hands touching me, and you could feel that a little angel or that little child is trying to squeeze your hand, and with that awe in his eyes, like magical, I feel that I'm like in heaven, and I feel that the child doesn't want to let go of my hand, and it's like telling me, go on, and I need some more, and I'm enjoying this, I'm happy, and that really makes me so happy. It's an exhilarating feeling I cannot explain.
Sinusuportahan ng mga pribadong korporasyon at gobyerno ang misyon sa buhay ni Julie. At sa pagdaan ng panahon, maraming buhay ang nabago.
We have been running this project for 17 years, and I saw my graduates orally trained, they're speaking, and they have been very, very successful in the regular schools. And so I saw them, each one of the batches graduate from college courses which I never would have imagined could be open to deaf.
I am from at Pitomba.
Kung pakikinggang mabuti, may mensaheng maririnig sa boses ng mga nakinabang sa kakayahan at tulong ni Julie Esguera. Ito'y matutupad maging ang mga pambihirang hangarin kung may sapat na dedikasyon at tapat sa layunin. Pinatunayan na po ng isang incredible Pinoy.
Keep believing that God answers our prayers, and if they are special children, they're almost always given to a special family. And so with their family and with a special school, they can always look forward to a very bright future.